Okay, we're in MGM Grand right now. You're just chilling. You went to the Studio Cafe. You can see in the background right there. The chicken strips are $16. Buffalo wings $17. And they fucking bumped their head. I mean, come on. Well, anyway, we're over here at Nob Hill Tavern. This place has been here for a long time. And then the background over there is a High Rollers. You want to be a high roller? High Rollers. And then the High Rollers. You see the High Rollers. They're playing right there, Pagao. And then they also playing James Bond. See? Magic Casino Baccarat. Baccarat, that's James Bond shit right there. Okay. And here's the La Trelelle by Michel Robuchon. Joel Robuchon. He's the famous French restaurateur. He has very good food. I've eaten here before. Robuchon. Robuchon. This is the Border Fair. It's kind of like this bistro. I've been eating here before. It was okay. It was fucking expensive though. I tell you that. And then this is the Joel Robuchon. This is the mansion. For the fair, $245, $195 menu, $165 and a $125 menu. Man, this place got 4 diamonds from AAA. It's 4 diamonds. Joel Robuchon. You don't get them by accident, I'll tell you that. The Cirque du Soleil. And there's the Wolfgang Puck Bar and Grill. And there's the KA. They got the roulette. Oh, you got the hee-haw over here. Oh, shit. They don't let motherfuckers sit here smoke. That's some bullshit. Man. This is the Rogue. It's one of those ultra-light bars. Beautiful Christmas tree, though. My first time out here during Christmas.